square
d cube plus d cube plus d square plus 4d
plus 4d plus 4
plus y plus 4
into y
plus 4 into y is equal to
is
3 e to the power of minus x minus
minus
4x
4x
minus 6.
minus 6.
Correct?
Yes.
Is it right? Okay, this is your assignment
Ah.
problem. See,
Ma'am, even I have one doubt, ma'am.
yes. First I will clarify this one, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now this is your assignment problem. Actually, it is called mixed type problems. Okay, it is a mixed type problem. So this, by seeing this, we can say this belongs to which type?
Type 1.
Type 1.
Type
If you
1.
take minus common, it becomes 4x plus 6. 4x plus 6 belongs to which type?
Sector type, polynomial.
Type 3. Type 3. Okay. Type 3. So this is type 1. So it is a mixed type. Okay. It is a mixed type. So for the solution, it can be written as solution. So the given differential equation is d cube.
Ma'am, we can consider 6 into e to the power of x into 0 also, no, ma'am? Or
no problem. You can. You get the same
Ma'am,
answer
that
by
is
both.
what we should take.
What? So actually, if
Ma'am,
you
if
take
it's
6 as 6 into e power 0x, again you have to go for type 1. It will take more time. Instead of that, I am mixing 4x plus 1 and I am combining and I am making as a type 3. So anyhow, you want to apply for 4x type 3 only, no? You are applying for type 3, you are applying for 4x. So again you want to apply type 1 for 6. So it will take more time. Instead of that, we can combine and it become a polynomial. 4x plus 6 is a polynomial, right? Yes?
Yes.
4x plus 6 is a polynomial. We can combine and we can make it as a single type. Instead of doing this type 1 for first term, type 2, type 3 for second term, again type 1 for third term. Instead of making this one, we can combine second and third term and we can completely consider as only type 3. It become easy, steps will be less. But so if your answers what you did is correct by making 4x for type 3 and 6x using type 1, you will get the same answer by both. So by combining, if you solve using type 3 or using type 3 for second term, using type 1 for third term, simplify, you will get the same answer by both. No need to worry. Okay? Yes? Did you clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting what I am saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I will write the RHS by taking minus common from the second and third term, minus of 4x plus 6. You can do. This is type 3, this is type 1, no problem. You will get the same answer at the end. No need to worry. So to make it simple, I am taking instead of type 3, type 1, I am making it just type 3. Anyhow, I want to do the division only. So if you include this, steps will be less. Okay. Next, it is of the form f of d into y is equal to phi of x. Right? So it is a non-homogeneous differential equation. Then y is equal to yc plus yp be the general solution for non-homogeneous differential equation. Where f of d, what is f of d? What is f? Tell me first, what is f of d?
D cube
D
plus
cube plus d square plus 4d plus 4.
Plus
4d plus 4. And what is phi? Phi of x? 3 e power minus x minus of 4x plus 6. Okay. Since it is a non-homogeneous, y is equal to yc plus yp. First we have to find for yc. To find yc, consider what we should consider?
auxiliary equation.
Auxiliary equation f of m is equal to 0. What is f of m? Since it is f of d, replace d by m to get auxiliary equation. M cube plus m square plus 4d, 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. So now we have to find the roots for this. How to find the roots?
Wi-Fi ಬರ್ತಾ
Ma'am, we can take m square common. Ma'am.
You can take common
Will
from
get
Take m
m
square
square.
common from first and second
Yes, ma'am.
term. Take m square common from first and second term. We left with m plus
M plus 1. M
1.
plus 1.
Next one.
Plus 4 into m plus 1.
4 common from third and fourth term. Again we left with m plus
plus
1. Correct?
1.
Equal to
Equal to
0.
0.
Next one. Next what?
M square
plus
plus
1
4
Square
plus 4 into
What we have to take common? Take m plus 1 common.
m plus
Correct,
1 and m square plus 4.
What we left with if you take m plus 1 common?
M square plus
M
4.
square
m square plus
M square plus 4 is equal to 0. It is like a into b equal to 0 means either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. That is m plus 1 is equal to 0 or m square plus 4 is equal to 0. If m plus 1 is equal to 0, what is m?
minus
minus
1.
1.
Minus 1. If m square plus 4 equal to 0 means what is m square?
0 plus or minus 2i. Minus 4.
0 plus or minus 2i.
Plus or minus square root of minus 4. That is plus or minus 2i. Okay, we can write 0 plus or minus
0
2i.
plus or
Correct?
minus 2i. Yes, ma'am.
So therefore,
Yes, ma'am.
write all the roots. How many roots we should get?
3 roots, ma'am.
3 roots. So one is minus 1 and other 2 roots are plus or minus 2i. Totally 3 roots. So then yc. What is the solution for if m is equal to minus 1?
C1 e to the power minus x.
minus 1.
Minus 1x plus. So write the solution for 0 plus or minus 2i.
e to the power of 0x
0x into
cos 2x plus
C3 sin 2x.
C2 cos 2x plus C3
C3 sin 2x.
sin
sin
2x.
2x. This will be our yc. Correct? Huh? Is it clear in finding yc?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt?
No, no.
No. Now shall I go to the next page to find yp?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. Now to find yp, next write down. To find yp, consider what we have to consider. Yp is equal to
Phi of x
Phi
by
of
f of
x by f of d.
Phi of x by f
phi
of
of
t.
x by f of t. What is phi of x? We have 3 into
e to the
e to
power
the
of
power
minus
minus
x.
x minus
minus
plus
x
4
minus
plus
of
Plus 6.
minus of 4x plus 6 divided by f of d. Correct? Huh? Is it right?
yes ma'am.
Next, we can write this as 3 into e power minus x by f of d minus of 4x plus 6 by f of d. Okay, now substitute for f of d. What is f of d? So irrespective of f of d, you call this as equation 1. Okay, yp. So is this one, you call it as equation 1, you call this as p1 and you call this as p2. Separately you consider p1 and p2, find out, then substitute in equation 2 now. Is it
Yes,
equation
ma'am.
number 1 or 2?
2 ma'am.
So already I used 1 for y is equal to yc plus yp. Correct? Huh? Now consider p1. Consider p1. What is p1? 3 e power minus x by f of t. Now substitute for f of t. 3 e power minus x by what is f of d?
d cube plus d square plus 4d plus 4.
D square plus 4d plus 4. So which type it is? Numerator is which type?
Type 1, ma'am.
Type 1.
Type
In
1.
type 1, replace
d is equal to
D is equal to
a
a.
is
What
equals
is
to
A?
minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus
minus
1.
What is A? E power ax. A is minus 1. Therefore, we obtain P1 is equal to 3 e to the power of minus x divided by minus 1 whole cube plus of minus 1 whole square plus 4 into minus 1 plus 4. So minus 4 plus 4 cancelled. What is minus 1 whole cube?
minus 1
Minus 1. What is minus 1 whole square?
plus 1
Plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel. We got what we got in the denominator? What's the differentiation of f of
3d square plus 2d plus 4
plus 2d plus 4.
3d square plus 2d plus 4. Correct? Huh? So now replace d by what?
A.
minus 1
Sorry,
d
just
equals to
a.
a
A is nothing but minus 1. So
Minus 1.
3x you can keep it out. 3x you can keep it out. So e to the power of minus x divided by 3 into minus 1 whole square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 4. Now what is the denominator? So 3 minus 2
5.
is 1. 1 plus 4, 5. Okay.
5
So P1 is equal to 3x e power minus x by 5. Is it clear? P1?
Yes,
yes ma'am
So next we have to go for P2, correct? We have to go for P2. If you are clear, then I will go to the next page. Shall I move to the next page to find P2?
yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am
Otherwise, if you have doubts, you can ask here itself. I will make you people understand. Then I will go for P2. All of you are clear in finding P1? All of you are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we go for P2.
yes ma'am
Okay, what is P2? So don't consider minus. Don't consider minus.
plus 6
You keep minus there
plus
only.
4x
4x
plus 6 by d cube
by f of d. Correct? Huh? By f of d. So now, so 4x plus 6. What is f of d? d
d
cube
cube
plus
plus d square plus 4d plus 4
4d plus 4d plus 4.
4.
Okay, next. Which type it is? Which type it is?
type 3 ma'am
Type 3 because numerator is a polynomial. How to do if you have a polynomial in numerator?
decreasing power
Division
of x
method.
increasing power of d ma'am
Okay. So here decreasing power of x, that is 4x plus 6. What shall I write here?
4 plus 4d plus
4
d
plus
square
4d
plus 2.
plus d square plus 4.
4 plus 4d plus d square plus d cube
Okay. Next. What shall I write here?
4x
4x.
4x
So then which symbol? Which symbol?
Divide. Division.
4x. Arrow mark is like this only. 4x divided by 4. You write here. What is 4x by 4?
x ma'am
X only. So if you multiply this, okay, you put arrow mark like this. 4 into x. Did you got 4x?
yes ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
Next. So here we have plus. Plus into plus you write here. Next 4d into x. 4d into x you multiply. You can find out. 4d into x.
4 ma'am.
What is differentiation of x? What is
One.
differentiation
One.
of x?
1.
1.
One.
So we
One.
got 4
One.
plus 4. So what you will get? D square of x?
0
0 only, because since one time differentiation we got constant, second time differentiation obviously it will be 0 only.
0
Okay, next we have to subtract.
next also 0
Next also 0.
Subtract. Yes, obviously. If second differentiation is 0, third differentiation is obviously 0. Okay. Now subtract. What is 4x minus
change the
4x?
signs ma'am
Yes, change the sign. Minus to plus to minus. Okay. 4x minus 4x is 0. 6 minus 4 is what?
2
Okay. Next, what shall I write here?
2
2 divided by 4.
This is 2. Okay, na? Next, put the arrow mark like this with division symbol. 2 by 4. What is 2 by 4?
1 by 2 1 by 2
1 by 2.
Plus or minus shall I write?
Plus,
Plus or minus, because here we have plus, here we have plus. Plus into plus only. Plus 2 divided by plus 4 is plus only. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next. So go for this one. Plus into minus. So here we have, here which symbol? Plus or minus?
Ma'am, plus, ma'am.
Plus, ma'am.
Plus only. Okay, next multiply. 4 into 1 by 2. What is 4 into 1 by 2?
0, ma'am. It's
0.
constant.
4
0,
into
ma'am.
1 by
1 by
2.
2.
4 into 1
4
by
into 1
2.
by 2 is 2, ma'am. 2.
2, ma'am.
Only. We already written.
Next,
Next. Plus into plus plus. Next 4 into 4d of 1 by 2. 4d
0,
of
ma'am.
1 by 2.
0.
Differentiation of 1 by 2 is
0,
0. So that is plus 0. So next differentiation is also become
0.
0.
0.
Okay, next change the sign. Change the sign. We have plus, change to minus. Plus 2 minus
Minus
2.
2, 0. 0.
0. Remainder should be 0. Then what is your YP?
X plus 1 by 2.
X plus 1 by. Your quotient will be your YP. Remainder is always 0. Dividend and divisor we should write according to the rule. Increasing power, sorry, decreasing power of X and increasing power of D. Did you clear in finding YP? Sorry, it is not YP. What it is?
YP
It is not
2.
YP. P2. It is P2. Now substitute P1 and P2 in where?
Equation 2.
Equation 2. Now equation 2 become YP is equal to, what is P1?
3x e to the power minus
3
x
Minus x by 2.
By 2
by 5.
minus
by 5, ma'am.
by 5.
By 5.
Next minus P2. P2 is x plus 1 by 2. Where there is a minus, put the bracket. Be careful. Here we have minus, so you should put the bracket. Now this is YP. Now we got YC and YP. Where we have to substitute YC and YP?
In equation 1.
In equation 1. Substitute. Next time, substitute YC and YP in equation 1. Did you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can we move to the next problem then? Or if you have any doubts?
Yes, ma'am. I have one doubt, ma'am.
Yes, in this problem only.
No, ma'am. Next problem.
Okay. Here in this problem, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay then. Yes, tell me now. What's your doubt?
D square minus 5d plus 1 into y is equal to 1 plus x square, ma'am.
Is into y is equal to 1 plus x square. Is the question correct what I written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. So go for the solution now. Solution. So d square minus 5d plus 1 into y is equal to 1 plus x square. Okay, na? So next. Here it is like f of d into y is equal to, you can take it as completely phi of x. So since it is non-homogeneous differential equation, y is equal to yc plus what?
Yp, ma'am.
Yp, call it as equation 1, where f of d is equal to, what is f of d? D square minus
5d plus
5d plus 1, and what is phi of x?
1 plus x square.
X square. So next, to find yc, what we should consider?
Auxiliary equation.
Consider auxiliary equation. F of m is equal to 0. Here we have f of t, d plus d by m. So we obtain m square minus 5m plus 1 is equal to 0. Is it possible to factorize?
No, ma'am.
No. Then we go for the formula method to find the roots. Correct? Huh? Is it clear? So m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Is it right what I substituted the values?
Yes, ma'am.
So plus or minus root of 5 5 is 25. 25 minus 4 by 2. So m is equal to 5 plus or minus root of 21, root 21 by 2. So is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now see here, the roots are, we can write the roots as 5. So is it is a complex root?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this complex root,
Oh,
sir?
man.
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So
It's,
it can be written as 5 plus root 21 by 2 is the one root, and 5 minus root 21 by 2 is the another root. Correct? Huh? So I term is not there, therefore it is not complex roots. Roots are real but distinct. Correct? Huh? What's the nature of the roots?
Real and distinct.
real and
Distinct. Distinct. Be careful. If I is there, then only you can treat this as a complex. If I is not there, you should treat it as a real. Therefore, what is YC? C1 e to the power of 5 plus root 21 whole divided by 2 into x. C1 e power mx, m1x plus C2 e to the power of m2x second root 5 minus root 21 by 2 into x. This will be our YC. Did you clear YC?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is not a complex roots. Be careful. Okay. Next, to find YP. To find YP, what we should consider? YP is equal to
I of
Phi
phi
of
of x by f of t. What is phi of x?
1 plus x square
What is f of t?
d square minus 5d plus 1.
Which type it is? Which type it is?
Type 3.
Type 3.
Type 3.
Okay, type 3. How to do type 3?
Division method.
Division method. Okay. Numerator will be, how can I write 1 plus x square as?
X square plus 1.
X square plus
X
1.
square plus 1. Decreasing power of x. Here, increasing power of d. How to write increasing power of d means?
1 minus 5d
1
1
plus
plus minus d plus d square.
Okay. Next, what I want here?
X square.
X square I want. So arrow mark should be like this. Which symbol I should write?
Division.
Division. What is x square divided by 1?
X square.
X square only. Now multiplication. 1 into x square? X square. We already written. Next, minus into plus?
Minus
Minus. 5d of x square.
10x.
5d of x square. Okay. 5d, right? So 5 into what's the differentiation of x square?
2x.
2x. That is minus 10x. Minus 10x. Next, plus into plus plus d square of x square. D square of x square. First you write d square as d into d. D into d of x square. D of, what is differentiation of x square?
2x.
2x. Now keep 2 outside. What's the differentiation of x?
1.
1. So d square of x square is 2. So plus 2. What next? Change the sign. So it become minus, it become plus, it become minus. So cancelled. So minus, plus 10x square plus 10x square. Next, it is minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is?
minus 1.
Minus 1. 10x alla? 10x square or 10x?
10x.
10x only, not x square.
Yes,
Okay, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Okay, next what I want here?
10x.
10x I want. 11x. No,
11x.
here x is not there. X is not there here. X is not there. Only one term. Constant you have to add like this. These constant terms. Got it? So that can be written as x square plus 0x plus 1. This one. Next denominator is minus x square minus 10x. Minus become plus. Then minus 2. Now you add. This cancel. So plus 10x plus 0x is 10x. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. I thought of doing division in the next page. Okay, right. What we got? So here what? X square plus 1, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here what shall I write?
Yes, ma'am.
1
1 minus 5d plus d square.
Plus
Correct,
d
huh?
square.
5d, ma'am.
Here we got
5d,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it's not
5d.
2d.
5d, na?
5d.
Okay. X square we got, x square divided by 1, we got it as x square here. So then 1 into x square is x square we got. Next minus 5 into differentiation of x square is we got minus 10x. Next double differentiation of x square is plus 2 na. This what we got. Now we change the sign, minus become plus and it is minus. Minus x square plus x square got 0. This is plus 10x. Here x term is not there. You write 10x as it is. Next, it is minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Okay, next, what I want here? 10x. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
10x divided by 1. What is 10x divided by 1?
10x.
10x.
10x only. I am writing plus because here also plus is there. Plus 10x divided by plus 1. Plus 10x by plus 1 is plus 10. Correct? Plus 10x. Is it right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Next. So plus into plus only 1 into 10x. I return. Next minus into plus minus 5d of 10x. So 5 2s are 10. Differentiation of x is what?
1.
1. So we got minus 10. So next, what is the double differentiation become? Since single differentiation is constant, what is the double differentiation
Minus
become?
50.
No, minus
Ma'am,
50 na, ma'am.
50, ma'am.
It's 5.
Minus.
Minus
Yes,
50,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, correct. 50. Okay. Then, so since single differentiation is a constant, double differentiation become
0.
0. Okay, we stop here itself. Now change the sign. It is minus and it is plus. Plus 10x minus 10x cancel. Plus 50 minus 1.
49.
49.
Plus
Yes, 49.
49.
49.
Plus 49. What I want here?
49.
49.
49 I want. Next 49 divided by 1.
49.
49 divided by 1 is 49.
Yes,
Plus
ma'am.
49, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1 into 49 is 49. I already written. What's the differentiation of 49 next term?
0.
0. 0.
Okay. Okay,
0.
only one term. Change the sign. What you got the remainder?
0.
0. So if you get remainder 0, then what is your YP? Your quotient. Your quotient will be your YP. YP is equal to x square plus
X
plus 49.
plus 10x
10x
plus
Square
49.
plus 10x plus 49.
Did you clear now? D square y by dx
dx
square dx
dx square dx square, ma'am.
Okay.
Minus 4
Minus 4
dy by dx
minus 4 into dy by dx
plus 4y
plus 4y
equal to e to the power 2x
equal to x
plus cos x plus
cos
4.
x plus 4 plus cos x plus 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This will come under mixed types. Okay. So please look at here. I thought of solving these problems only. Okay, right. Solution. So how to write d square y by dx square as?
D square minus 4D plus 4.
D square y, not only D square, you should write D square y minus 4 into dy plus 4y, correct? Is
Yes,
equal to
ma'am.
e power 2x plus cos x plus 4. So take down this problem for next one. Okay. Next, take the y comma d square. All of you should solve these problems in your notebook. 4d plus 4 into y is equal to e power 2x plus cos x plus 4. It is like f of d into y is equal to phi of x. Means it is non-homogeneous differential equation. Therefore, general solution is y is equal to what? Yc plus yp. Call it as equation number 1. Okay. Next, what is f of d? F of d is d square minus
D square
hello,
minus 4D plus 4.
plus 4.
D
What is
square
phi of
minus
x?
4D.
What is phi of x?
E to the
power
power
2x.
x plus
E power x
cos
or e
x
power
plus
2x?
e power 2x, ma'am.
Okay,
Cos
plus
x
4. Next.
plus 4 into e to the power 0x.
4 only you write, later we can see. Okay. Next, to find yc. To find yc, what we should consider?
Auxiliary equation.
Auxiliary equation.
Consider auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is f of m is equal to
0.
0. F of m is equal to 0. What is f of m? M square
M
minus
square
4m
minus
plus 4 is equal to 0.
0.
It is looks like is it m minus 2 whole square?
M minus 2 the whole square. Yes, ma'am.
Correct? That is m minus 2 into m minus 2 whole is equal to 0. A plus a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, m minus 2 equal to 0 or m minus 2 is equal to 0. M equal to what?
2, ma'am.
M equal to 2, M equal to.
M is equal
Ma'am?
to 2, comma 2. Since it is order 2, roots are real and
Real and equal.
Equal.
2 roots we got. Therefore, YCS.
I use that formula, ma'am, that b square minus b square plus or minus
You
2.
use the formula that you got the answer as 2 plus or
yes, ma'am, I
minus
got
0
same
divide by 4 plus or minus 0 by 2 you got, I think.
ma'am.
Correct? Huh?
Then 2 and 2. Yes, ma'am. Same
What is
only I
4
got.
plus 0? What is 4 plus 0?
4.
4 only. What is 4 minus 0?
4 only, ma'am.
4 only, right?
I got same.
Same only. 2 roots you will get. Hello?
Yes, ma'am. I got the same answer.
Okay, right.
Later,
So
I know, ma'am.
Okay, right. So roots are real and equal. How to write YC? How to write YC?
C1 plus
YC
C2
is equal to C1 plus C2x into e power
C1
2x.
plus C2x into the power of 2x.
Okay. So this is YC. Is there any doubt in finding YC?
No, ma'am.
So you do one thing. So for all the quadratic equation, don't go for formula method. First you try to solve by taking, making as a factors. Okay. So then if it is not possible to factorize, then go for formula method. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Always. Next. Next what? YP.
YP.
Next. To find YP, what we should consider?
F of phi of
Phi
x.
of
Phi of
YP
x by
is
f of
equal
t.
to phi of x by f of d. What is phi of x?
E power 2x plus cos x plus
E
4.
power 2x plus cos x plus 4.
By f of d. Now you consider this one as e power 2x by f of d plus cos x by f of d plus 4 by f of d. Correct? Huh? Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is equation 2? This is P1, this is P2, this is P3. Find out P1, P2, P3 separately. P1. Now consider P1. P1 is equal to e power 2x by f of d. What is f of d? What is f of d?
D square minus 4D plus
d
4.
square minus 4d plus 4.
Minus
Which type it is?
First type.
Type 1.
type 1, ma'am.
Type 1. In type 1 put what?
E is
D
equal
equal to A equal to 2.
A equal to 2.
2. Okay, na? Therefore, P1 is equal to e power 2x by 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 4. So, what you got the answer?
0, ma'am.
E power 2x
Zero.
by 0. I got denominator 0. If denominator is 0, what we should do?
Multiply
Multiply.
denominator
Yes,
by
and
f
consider f dash of d in the denominator. Therefore,
Multiply
P1
x
is equal to,
f dash of d.
what is f dash of d? What's the
2d minus
differentiation
4.
of this? 2d
2D
minus 4.
minus 4.
Now put d equal to what? Same procedure. Put d equal to
D equal to A equal to minus 2.
x into e power 2x by 2 into 2 minus 4. What is 2 into 2 minus 4?
0, ma'am.
0
Again
again.
0.
0 again. So for that again you multiply one more x to the numerator. It becomes x square e power 2x by what should I consider in the denominator?
Double dash of D. F double
Double
dash
dash
of
of d.
Double
So
dash
look
of
at
D.
here. F of d is d square minus 4d plus 4. What is f dash of d?
2, ma'am.
2d minus
3 minus 4. What is f double dash of d?
2, ma'am.
2.
2 minus 0, that is 2. Okay. So now, therefore, P1 is equal to x square e power 2x by 2 will be your P1. Did you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, can you find P2 and P3 separately? P2 which type?
Type 2.
P2 is second type, ma'am.
Type 2.
Second equation.
P3, 4 can written as 4 into
First type. E to the power 0x.
which
To the
type
power
it
of
is?
0
0.
0x.
Which type it is?
It is type 1.
Type 1.
Type 1.
Can you find P2 and P3 by yourself?